Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Log into Successfactors with an admin role to access the Admin Center. Use your corporate credentials and any required SSO. Once signed in, click Admin Center from the main menu. In Admin Center, search Configure People Profile. Select Manage Data to open the Data Administration area. Locate Company Settings, then choose Event Reasons from the available configuration lists. This area centralizes event reason definitions. You will use these definitions later when mapping to forms and workflows. Keep your session secure and confirm you have the correct. Click New to create an event reason and enter a unique code. Use a short code that clearly identifies the change reason for reporting. Fill the title and description fields with concise, meaningful text for users. Set effective start and end dates so the reason applies in specific periods. Choose Status Active to make it available immediately or Draft to save for later. Optionally assign the event reason to specific MDF objects or templates for automatic suggestions. Save your record and note the code for mappings. Map the event reason to BPM workflows, related forms, and permission roles in the system. Open the relevant object configuration and add the event reason code to the pick list or rule set. Adjust role-based permissions if only specific roles can select the reason. Test in a sandbox by initiating a sample transaction and verifying the reason appears in the UI and reports. Validate downstream integrations and analytics fields. After successful testing, transport the configuration to production and communicate the change to affected users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.